Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its weekly weather discussion, and in this discussion we will discuss about realized past 1 week weather and also outlook for next 2 weeks. So today is 11th January, and this is synoptic system prevailed during last week. So you will see that there was a western disturbance, and one trough was running from Gujarat to Haryana, and there was a cyclone circulation over Haryana and adjoining areas, and another cyclone circulation during 4 to 9 January was over southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining areas of Lakshadweep, and the trough was running from this cyclone circulation of Arabian Sea to southern parts of Gujarat, and another trough was running from Sri Lanka coast to south coastal Andhra Pradesh during the period of 5 to 8 January, and another cyclone circulation was running during the period of 9th and 10th January over equatorial Indian Ocean, and this western disturbance was active during the period of 7 to 10th January, and another western disturbance also running during the period of 4 to 7 January, and under the influence of this 4 to 7 January and this 7 to 10 January, some activity was reported over central and east India. We will discuss later. So now this is the highlights about the realized dense to very dense fog. You will be aware that during last week most of the days these parts of North India reported dense to very dense fog condition during night and morning hours. So you will see date wise on 4th this satellite is depicting that dense fog layer was reported over parts of northwest and adjoining central and east India, and another patch was over this Meghalaya and Mizoram Tripura region. Accordingly, this is weekly observed dense fog, and day wise 4 to 10th you will see that most of the days these parts of northwest, central, east and northeast India reported dense to very dense fog conditions. So accordingly on 5th also this layer was persisting, and this is a map for 6th, and this is map for 7, this is map for 8, this is for 9, this is for 10. So you will see that in most of the days dense to very dense fog conditions reported over parts of northwest, central, east and northeast India including Odisha also. And this is today's morning scenario, morning 8:30 hours IST. You will see that dense fog layer was persisting on today also, and in western parts of Uttar Pradesh, Agra reported zero visibility. Similarly in eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, Fursadganj, Lucknow etc. reported 25, in Punjab, Amritsar etc. reported 50 meter, and Madhya Pradesh also this Khajuraho, Satna reported 50 meter. So we can say that parts of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and parts of northeast India and also parts of Madhya Pradesh reported dense to very dense fog conditions today also. Now this is a rainfall scenario. So as already mentioned, under the influence of western disturbance and trough in easterly parts of Madhya Pradesh, eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, adjoining areas of Jharkhand and Bihar reported light to moderate rainfall, and yesterday this hailstorm activity also reported over parts of northern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Bhind and Gwalior region, and this second patch of light to moderate rainfall at a few places with heavy to very heavy rainfall over mainly over Tamil Nadu region. Accordingly, this map is depicting heavy to very heavy rainfall activity. You will see that most of the days this Tamil Nadu reported heavy rainfall, and Kerala also reported 1 day heavy rainfall. Lakshadweep also reported heavy rainfall on 5th, and this South Inter Karnataka reported heavy rainfall on 7th, and otherwise Tamil Nadu reported heavy to very heavy rainfall most of the days of the week, especially over southern parts of Tamil Nadu. So this is the rainfall scenario, and this rainfall was because of a western disturbance, and also trough in easterly was there. So interaction was there between trough in easterly and westerly of associated with the western disturbance. Now this is a rainfall scenario. This is a rainfall map for week during the period of 4th January to 10th of January. You will see that this yellow color shows large deficient category, and red shows deficient category, and green shows normal category, light blue shows excess category, and dark blue shows large excess category. So you will see that this region of southern peninsular India, including Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Lakshadweep, Karnataka, also Maharashtra region, Madhya Pradesh region, and Gujarat region, eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand reported access to large excess rainfall, and otherwise this yellow and red patch shows deficient category, and white patches there was no significant rainfall. This is the weekly map, and this is seasonal, and for the period of 1 January to 10th of January you will see that again the more or less same region reported a large access to excess rainfall category, including South Peninsular India, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Lakshadweep, Maharashtra region, Gujarat region, Madhya Pradesh region. Otherwise rest of the divisions reported either no rainfall or this deficient to normal category. So this is the rainfall scenario. Accordingly, overall as a country as a whole, if we see during the week, this was the 31% excess category, and overall during the period of 1st January to 10th of January it was overall minus 10%, that is on normal category. This is fog warning for next 5 days. So already in morning we also discussed that these parts of northwest, east and northeast parts of the country likely to continue to report dense to very dense fog conditions. However, during next 2 days this dense to very dense fog conditions likely in enhanced category during morning hours. However, thereafter from 4th of January some relief may be there with dense category. However, this Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and parts of Northeast India, including Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, are likely to continue to report these dense fog conditions during the week 1. This is cold wave warning. We will discuss also separately in coming slides for week 1 and week 2. Accordingly, we can say that during the period of 11th, 12th and 13th, this cold wave conditions likely to report over Rajasthan region, especially northern parts of the Rajasthan, including region of Sikar and Churu region, where temperature are below than 4 degrees Celsius during morning hours, that is minimum temperature. So accordingly, this cold wave conditions likely to experience by Rajasthan, especially northern parts of Rajasthan during next 3 days, that is 11th, 12th and 13th. Now this is a cold day warning. So during day 1 and day 2, that is during 11th and 12th, this cold day conditions likely to prevail over parts of northwest India, including Punjab, Haryana, western parts of Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and parts of West Rajasthan on day 1, and on day 2 this Punjab, Haryana and Uttarakhand likely to experience cold day conditions on 12th. On 13th this is likely to reduce. However, Punjab likely to experience cold day conditions during subsequent 3 days, that is on 13th, 14th and 15th. So we can say that Punjab likely to experience cold day to severe cold day conditions during the next 5 days, and this region of Haryana, Rajasthan and Uttarakhand during next day 1, and thereafter Uttarakhand likely to experience during next 3 days. Now this is extended range forecast for next 2 weeks for maximum temperature. So this is actual maximum temperature likely to experience during week 1, and this is accordingly departure for week 1. So you can say that this during the week 1 maximum temperature likely to be above normal by 2 to 6 degrees Celsius over parts of northwest India, and this is accordingly for week 2, and you can say that this parts of northwest India, including Uttar Pradesh region, likely to be in normal category, that is minus 2 to 0 degrees Celsius above normal category, and however this region of Rajasthan, Punjab and parts of Haryana are likely to experience above normal maximum temperature by 0 to 2 degrees Celsius. So this is the situation of maximum temperature scenario, and this is minimum temperature scenario. This is actual minimum temperature for week 1, and this is according departure for week 1. This is week 1, week 2 minimum temperature, and this is week 2 anomaly, that is departure. So we will discuss cold wave scenario also separately. However, for minimum temperature forecast, we can say that gradual fall is expected by 2 to 2 degrees Celsius in minimum temperature over many parts of central and east India during first half of the week, and no significant change thereafter. and during week 2 minimum temperatures are likely to be near normal or slightly below normal by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius over most parts of the country. So for these two maps we have forecast for week 1 and week 2 that we are expecting fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in minimum temperature over many parts of central and east India during first half of the week, and thereafter there is no possibility of any change in significantly during the rest part of the week 1, and during week 2 minimum temperatures are likely to be normal or slightly below normal by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius over many parts of the country. So this is forecast for minimum temperature, and this is extended range outlook for cold wave. So accordingly you can say that high probability, moderate to high probability is for week 1 over parts of Rajasthan and adjoining regions of Haryana and Punjab region, also parts of western parts of Uttar Pradesh, and during week 2 there is a moderate probability for cold wave conditions over parts of northern parts of Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana. So this is extended range outlook for cold wave conditions, and this is available. This is recently being issued by India Met Department, and the same is available on our Facebook and Twitter pages. You can look at, and this is cyclogenesis formation for next 2 weeks. So we can say that there is no probability of any formation of cyclogenesis during next 2 weeks, and now this dense fog and cold day warning for week 2. So dense to very dense fog conditions are very likely to continue, as already mentioned, over parts of north, west, central, east and northeast India during most days of the week 1, and cold day to severe cold day conditions likely to continue over the regions of Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh on 11th and 12th, and also pockets over Punjab during 13 to 15 January, as already mentioned, and also cold day conditions likely to continue to prevail over parts of Uttarakhand on 11th and 12th, and over West Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh on 11th January, and there is a possibility of reduction thereafter in cold day conditions. As regards week 2, cold day conditions probability we have not given, however dense fog conditions likely to continue to prevail over parts of Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, Uttar Pradesh during some days of the week. So this is all about dense fog and cold day conditions forecast and outlook for next 2 weeks. And if we see extended range forecast for rainfall, so during week 1 from this map you can see that there is some probability of light to moderate rainfall over parts of northeast India. So accordingly, first highlight is for week 1 is that conditions are becoming favorable for the cessation of northeast monsoon rains over parts of south peninsular India from around 15th of January, and a fresh western disturbance is today seen roughly 55 degrees east and 32 degrees north. Accordingly, this isolated rainfall activity expected over western Himalayan region today, tomorrow and thereafter tomorrow, that is on 12th and 13th, and also light to moderate rainfall is expected over south peninsular India. And as regards week 2, there is no possibility of any active western disturbance, however some probability of light to moderate rainfall over parts of northeast India and also parts of south peninsular India. So accordingly we can say that overall during week 2 rainfall activity likely to be above normal over central, east and northeast India and below normal over northwest and south peninsular India. And this is all about today's weekly weather discussion, and we will continue giving daily weather briefing also. You can visit our Twitter and Facebook pages and also our YouTube channel. If you are viewing our this bulletin or briefing on Facebook, you kindly follow our page, and if you are seeing this bulletin in this YouTube, kindly subscribe our channel and like our videos, subscribe, and so that you can find the notifications. Now there is another announcement that India Met Department is going to celebrate on 15th of January on the occasion of start of 150th year of its establishment. So detailed report about the evaluation of India Met Department is available on our website mausam.imd.gov.in. You can refer, and we are regularly updating about 150th this Foundation Day celebration, about the updates. Each in everything is available on our Facebook and Twitter pages also, and we are regularly monitoring, we are regularly updating our website also regarding this. So kindly follow our mausam.imd.gov.in for more updates, and also our Facebook and Twitter pages for any updates regarding this IMD's 150th Foundation Day celebration on 15th of January 2024. So this is all about today's weekly weather discussion. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.